Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. The problem is 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equal to 100. What is the value of a? So solution from here. Firstly, I can rewrite the question here, which is 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equal to 100. Now, in the next step, I can factorize it, or you say that I take common 5 to the power of a, so it become 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. Okay. Now, in the next step, 5 to the power of a into 1 plus 1 equals to 2 is equal to 100. In the next step, I divide both sides by 2, so these 2 can cancel with these 2 and it become 5 to the power of a is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fifties are 100. So 5 to the power of a is equal to 50. Now we can write it as 5 to the power of a is equal to 50 can be written as 25 times 2. Now I divide both sides by 25. So I divide here and here. This 25 can cancel with this 25. So it become 5 to the power of a divided by 25 is equal to 2. Now in the next step we can write it as 5 to the power of a divided by 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 is equal to these 2. Now dear student, here we use one rule, which is p to the power of m divided by p to the power of n is equal to p to the power of m minus n. This is very important rule and we can must remember this rule. We can apply this on this equation. So it become 5 to the power of a minus 2 is equal to 2. Now this is an exponential equation. So now I am going to the next page. Okay students, so I write the below step here. Now this is an exponential equation and we apply now logarithm on both sides. So it become log 5 to the power of a minus 2 is equal to log 2. Okay, now here we use one rule again, which is log x to the power of p is equal to p into log of x. Now in the next step we apply this rule on this step, so it become a minus 2 into log 5 is equal to log 2. Now here I divided both sides by log 5. I divide here, also I divide it by here. Now this log 5 can cancel with this log 5 and it can just become a minus 2 is equal to log 2 divided by log 5. Now here we again use one rule of log for this right side, which is that log x divided by log p is equal to log x base p. We can apply this rule of log in this equation. So it become a minus 2 is equal to log 2 base 5. Okay. Now here we can shift this negative 2 to the right side, so the value of a is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. This is our final answer for this equation. So dear student, I review the question, so see carefully and tell me in the comment section that which thing I can improve in my lecture. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.